Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a modern text emphasis using tracking control in Photoshop. I type my headline and instantly reduce font size pressure. Calm. I open character settings and slowly increase tracking. I stretch the word space in my head. Space gives confidence. I pause and read the text again. It feels premium now. I add contrast by tightening tracking on a second line. This rhythm creates emotional balance. I align carefully, breathing patience into the layout. I step back and smile because the text feels intentional. Tracking is not technical, it's emotional spacing. Once you feel that, your typography level upgrades forever. Thank you for watching.